What do I press?
It's our recording. Come on.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta come here.
I have to come with you. Come on, twin. Come on, Sam. Let me stop it. Delleon's about to wet Brian.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
Ready? Go to Brian. Go to Brian.
And this is Justin. Oh, this is
Magali. Magali.
And this is Anna, Magali, Justin, Ishmael, Martin, and last but certainly not least, Brian. I say you whoop his ass. It's Brian's birthday?
No.
Whoa, hello, can I move?
You got soap in his hair? Would you like to speak into the camera?
You guys got donuts? What? What?
Say goodbye. Say goodbye. You guys got donuts? Y'all still got donuts?
The ugly ones are left though, so I'm not the one.
The ugly ones? Stop! No, no! Delleon! Stop! That's my jacket! That's my jacket! No! Stop! Stop! Delleon, I'm not playing! No!
I get it.
Stop! Leave me alone! Stop! I'm serious! I'm not playing with you!
Yeah, okay, we gotta go, twin. I can't wait for Jermaine.
Rockaway, are you okay?
Okay. I gotta go work.
I recorded the screams and everything.